Feeling there was some connection error. Okay. Yes. So please put your speaker off. Yes. So I was talking about cloning. Cloning happens when you take a cell and identical, like the same, the replica copy of the parent. Parent means the individual from which you have taken out the cell. And when the body, the whole body is developed as it is as the parent, then it is called the cloning. Have you heard about cloning?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So your homework is you'll be finding more about it. Okay, you'll find about the clones that have been made by the scientists. Okay. Now after that we'll be talking about the last topics of today, children. That is page number 116 about the twins, identical and non-identical twins. So there are two types of twins, identical twins and non-identical twins. The first one is non-identical. That means when the two of them, the twins of course means two children are born together. Yes. So when they do not look the same, then they are non-identical. The two different eggs cells are released, one in each fallopian tubes. The two sperm cells fertilize them and produce two zygotes. So this happens when two cells are formed, two sperms, as we have already finished with the process of fertilization in human beings, the same thing. So here the case is different. Two cells are produced in place of one. Two sperm cells, they fertilize those cells and then they form the zygote. Because they form the two different eggs, they tend to have clear differences among them when these twins are born. They may have different genders as well. So their sexes can also be changed. Since, as we know, that here, again, we have done that X and Y, fine. So think, so here the genders can also be changed. One can be boy and the other can be girl. It can be both the boys, it can be both the girls. Then the scientific name of this kind of twin is dizygotic, that is formed from two. Di means two, bi means two, di means two. That means they are formed from two zygote and are also called fraternal twins. Then the second one is identical. Now here only one cell, see the difference. Only one cell and one sperm get involved in fertilization. After fertilization, the zygote start dividing to increase the number of the cell. But instead of making a one ball, as I have told you, that when they start dividing and redividing, that means I told you that one cell divides into two, then two into four, four into eight, eight into 16, like that, and they form a ball of cell. If you remember, I told you. Then instead of forming a ball of cell, it splits into two balls. Now here the fertilization process has taken place and it has resulted from the fusion of one egg and one sperm. Unlike the case where the non-identical twins were formed. So it is one cell, one sperm, but when the later stages of development takes place, that means when we see that the zygote starts developing, in that ball type of stage, instead of developing into that ball type of state, it divides into two. It splits into two. And this means they grow in two very similar fetuses and identical babies. The scientific name for such is monozygote. Now here, if you see, there was dizygotic, here it is mono. Mono means one, di means two. Monozygotic, this process does not happen often. In fact, identical twins make about 1/3 of all the twins born. So if the number is less, they are either boys, both the boys or both the girls. And this you must have experienced actually, that both, sometimes you see both the boys are same, sometimes both the sisters, they are same, they look exactly same, they are identical twins. So you now know the difference in both, that when identical twins are formed, then only one cell is fertilized by one sperm, as the generally the process of fertilization takes place, but the difference is in the process of development. When the later stages, when the cell divides and redivides, what happens, that instead of forming a ball stage, 32 cells, yes, and more number of cell, there it splits into two, and when it splits into two, the two of them, the splitted one, they start developing into new babies. And that is why they both, since they are from same cell, they are resulting from same cell, that is why they are totally identical. But in the first case, we've seen that the resultant is not from one egg cell, not from one sperm cell, but this sometimes happen that two egg cells are produced and they are then fertilized by two sperm cells. So since from initial level only the things are different, and that is why two babies are differently, but they are not identical, but still they are twins because they are growing together. Fine. So they will be called twins, but they will not look same. Fine, children. Any confusion in this?
No, ma'am.
Have you understood it properly?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now, yes. Now I think I've sent you some exercises. Have you done that? In
Yes,
the
Yes,
ma'am.
book? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now today I'll be sending more of it. Then the question answers. I'll be sending you a pic, children, of the page and the questions like which I'll be doing. I'll put a tick and I'll send so that you are able to understand that why ma'am has left out. Maybe some questions we'll be doing later, or some questions are repeated. I'll put a cut on it. So do not get confused that why this is not done. Then you'll be able to understand. Okay. So we'll be doing that written part. Please make sure that as we are proceeding, you have written work in your books as well as in your copies, because then you understand it very clearly that I'll be taking your revision. I'll be starting with your revision. Okay? And we have a lot of time. So you'll be well prepared for your test and for your exams. Fine, children. So this is how we have come to the end of today's class and the end of the chapter also. Then revision and then new chapter. So till we meet again, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank